Below your velocity object, so in here, below velocity, use this keyword to set the width property to proportional size of 40. Now we are outside of an object rather. So rather than using the colon, we have to use the equal. And this is where we assign the proportional size of 40. And we don't need to use a comma because we are outside of an object or an array. So we just have to leave it there, being declared. And we also have to use the this keyword as it says below your width property. Use the this keyword to set the height. Okay, height to proportional size of 40. And it says you are using the proportional size function here to set the width and the height properties of your class, which is the player, to be proportional to the height of the screen, meaning it would have the exact same size or the aspect ratio of the screen. So, nice.